Yes, my name is Jorge Cruz. I'm presently a lecturer at Fresno State University. I've been a lecturer at Fresno State for 9 years. Well, I teach right now the project management course, and I've used uCertify for almost 6 years. In fact, it'll be 6 years in October. I love the product. I've the support behind the product is just as good, and the students capture it well. I've had no problems. There've never been any issues. And I teach an average of, per class, an average of 38 students. This last semester, I had 51 students, and it went through beautifully. Actually, I've had quite a few students who've decided to become project managers. I think it would be based on the fluidity of this particular product. It's user friendly. Students get immersed in the tools of project management,
Yeah.
and along with my guidance, they find it quite useful. Not only quite useful if they decide to be a project manager, but also quite useful in their professional lives. Well, every year there's always an evaluation, and I've never heard a complaint. They all say, and this is the truth, they all say that they found the product very user friendly. The knowledge-based product was also very helpful. And really, I've never received any complaints about the product at all. I don't have any complaints, and my students have never uh, brought any or complaints about the product itself or the use of the product. Quite simple. When I first started, we had a support personnel from uCertify guide me. And I think it only took one time. And from that point on, I've been able to configure all exams, quizzes, major exams, create. The database is always updated. So it's very simple. Again, very user friendly, not only for students, but also for educators, for instructors like myself. The automation, the
Well,
back-end automation has made my job much simpler. The fact that I can configure quizzes, labs, flashcards, um, made three major exams, all done at the back end with immediate point automations, makes my life much easier, especially in the technological age now. Immediately, of course I would. They just need to try it once. I can assure you, they won't try anything else. Again, I'm going on almost 6 years come October of 2026, and I've never turned back.